Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change this header like title, background color or some other customization, how we can do this, how we can customize the header. So you see that I am on login screen right now, and at the login, here in welcome in the all screen I am passing a login. That's why we have a login here. So but I want to change this title. So how I can change? You see that in this website we have configure the header. Here we have the option. Under this option we can pass an object and title we can change. For that, what I do, I create here the object. So I say const, I say custom header, then I say style sheet dot create, and inside this I need this object. Here I say in this object I say title and I change to my login. Remember, my login, like this I want to change. So I want to change in a login. So here I say option equal to, and here I need to pass custom header. So I just do this right spelling. I save this. Now you see that we have to refresh it, my login. Remember that here in this we have passed the custom header, so we change the title of this. Now more thing we can do, like we can change the background color also, and some other things we can do, like I can change the style, header style also, header style and background color. How I can do? So I go to this and here I say header style like this way. Under this I say background color, and I change this color to pink like this. Save this and you will have the pink. You see, pink we have changed, or I can change to green also. Save this like that way. Now I want to change the color of this. So here I say header a tint color, that color is white. So I say white color. Okay, so the color is white now, right now. So white color we have. Then we can put into the center also. We have some property, like we have this header title style. So I can set border also. So I say header title style, and here I can pass font weight and I say bold like this way. Save this and you will see that it will be bold like this. Header title style, and we have alignment also. So I can put into the center. So like this we have my login, bold also, header title style. One more thing we have header title alignment, and I can put to the center. Save this. You see, we have in the center of the screen. So like that way we can customize this header, and like this way I customize this header. But if I want to insert some component also, that can I can replace with component also. So like I create one component, for example I say header.jsx, and I say here rnfes like this, rnfes. We have component and this is the header. Suppose this component I want to insert in place of login. So it's very easy. So suppose I want to change this header. So in place of this custom header I need to put some more information like that. So I replace this. So I have an option like this, header title. So what I do, just I remove this custom header in place of this I say header title. Then inside this header title we have, this is the object inside this, so I put here inside like a object header title, and here I pass the function of arrow function like this, and here I need to pass properties props, and here I need to call that header component inside the screen like this. Then I close it, and before closing this I need to pass the all the props like this, and I save this, and you will see that in place of this we can replace this header. You see header we have, so this custom header we have in place of this, remember. Now I can design this as per my requirement, like I can use CSS, I can use some images, background, whatever you want you can do manually, you can learn yourself how to design this, but we can replace this header title also, remember that. And if I don't want to put my custom component, then I can pass these property, just custom header, and then we can change the title, we can just customize the background also, font style also, but here we can only change the title, we can't insert the button and some other thing. But if you want to customize the complete header and you want to add some button or some other component also header and some decoration you want to do, so it's a component, you know that it's a component, whatever you will insert here that will replace here. So like that you can do your custom header also in React Native. I think you learn how to customize the header. If you learn, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.